Alright guys, so I'm back with another unboxing and first impressions of this behemoth here. So I haven't actually opened this at all yet, but you can probably just about see what it says here. But before we get on to that, I'll quickly show you what I'm wearing today. So I'm wearing my Heimdallr No Time to Die Homage, that blue, the titanium one. I've done an unboxing for this already. If you haven't seen that, leave a link up here. Full review of this will be coming soon though, because I've got it pushed back a little bit with a few other bits and pieces that were coming out, but that is going to be coming up next. But now that's out of the way, let's get down to this. So, like I said, you can see that it's a San Martin, but this is an absolutely huge box. So, this is actually a review piece that I've got in. Well, at least I think it is, if it's the one I think it is. So, I don't get to keep it, I've got to send it on to someone else after I've done this. It's even got like a little handle. It's like a little briefcase almost. It's crazy. I don't know what that bit is. What's that bit do? Is that functional? No, I don't think so. Not sure what that is. Okay, so let's open this thing up. Yeah, that way. So this really is, bloody hell, that's tough. This is one really hard, heavy duty box. Definitely don't need to worry about the watch getting wrecked during delivery in this one. So what have we got? Yeah, it is the one I was thinking. So take that out for a second, pop it to one side, see what else we've got in here. So we've got San Martin tag. What's under this? I'm assuming there's something else in here. Okay. Interesting. So we got warranty card, which with San Martin is always stamped and dated, which is good. You don't always get that. Then we've got the instruction manual, but we're not really interested in that. What else? Oh, these are always handy. These spring bar removal tools. So San Martin branded one, and then you got the spring bar removal bit, and the, oh hang on, is that broken? Oh, looks like that's been snapped off. That's unfortunate. Don't think it's in the box. I can't see it in there. Somebody must have broken that. Oh well, well anyway, you'd normally have another just pointed end on that to be able to help take pins out. But anyway, what else have we got? Yeah, so just two little polishing things. So you've got a nice smooth side to clean up the bronze, and then if you want to return it back to the original style before it's patinaed, you can use that as well. So pop all that back in quickly, and then get this behemoth out of the way. Let's have a look at the actual watch. So, you can see that because this has been around to a few other reviewers already, it's got quite a nice patina on it, which is always good. Do like that. It's looking pretty nice. I know bronze isn't everyone's taste, but I actually have a few bronze watches already, and I do really like them. I just love the way that they're all unique. You never get two that are alike. They all patina in their own unique way. So they almost age with you. It's a really nice dial as well, actually. Nice sunburst blue on that. Ooh, looks like we've actually got as well a bronze or copper coloured chapter ring, which is quite cool. Do like that. So that would have been more the kind of colour this probably was when you originally got it, if you do order one. And as always, links will be down in the description if you want to check it out. So, as with most San Martins, the finishing on those hands is really nicely done. Really crisp, really clean. Do like that a lot. So with this one, we've got the just printed text on. We've got the San Martin, we've not got an applied logo at all. And then we've got the automatic 200 meters at the bottom. Everything seems to be lined up, I think. Possibly that triangle at the 12 might be slightly skewed to the left. But that might just be me. Got an unsigned crown. Unsigned buckle. Let's quickly zoom back out. Get a look at this strap. So it's almost like a suede kind of strap, which I do quite like these style. I've got a couple of these myself. And then we've got that vintage style stitching. I just think it goes quite well with the bronze colour. Does look nice. And they are really comfortable, these straps. Really soft, really supple. But I'll be trying it out, getting back to you with a full review, hopefully pretty quickly, because I'll have to send this on to someone else, like I say. Let's quickly test out the movement on this. So pop it out once. Change the date. Pull it out again. Wind it. Change the time, sorry. Pop it back in again. Let's give it a wind. Get that second hand going. So that all seems pretty good. Easy enough to screw back into. Cyclops looks like it's pretty well aligned. Not overly keen on Cyclopses myself. I personally would rather a watch didn't have them, but if you're going to have one, obviously it's always good to have it aligned, because that's not always the case. What's the bezel action like? That's pretty nice. Absolutely zero backplay as well, which is always good to see. But if anybody has had San Martin watches before, you probably know that you tend to get pretty good quality with them. I've got a few myself, not really had any issues so far. Is that lined up? Yeah, that's bang on. So again, no issues there. So, oh actually, that's good. Got quick release spring bars as well. That's nice. Sterile case back. And obviously that's just stainless steel. It's not bronzed, same as the rest, because obviously you don't want to be marking up your arm. Has the bronze's patina in. Nice recessed loom pip. I've had a couple of others where they have like a loom pip that's just kind of tacked on top, so it sticks out and it's likely to get knocked off. That doesn't seem to be an issue with this one. So as first impressions go, I'm quite liking that. So like I say, I'll test it out, come back to you hopefully pretty quickly, because I'm going to send this on to someone else. But that's it for this one guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.